how to get filter back on your Instagram. If you have previously used some filters and now it is not available on your Instagram application, then this video is for you. First of all, go to your Instagram application and then hit on the profile icon, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, select three lines, which is on the top right corner. From here, if you find toggle which says face and hand effect, then turn it on. If you don't have, like in my case I don't have because it is not available in my region, for such case you can use any VPN and then toggle which says face and hand effect. The last option you can do is, first of all, go to your settings and then go to the general, go to the iPhone storage and then scroll down and go to the Instagram and do offload app and then again reinstall app. You can also check if your Instagram is up to date or not. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.